By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to declare foreign income in your income tax return. Are you ready to take control of your finances and ensure you're meeting all your tax obligations? In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step action plan to help you understand and declare your foreign income. First, let's start with the basics. Foreign income refers to any income you earn from outside India, such as dividends from foreign stocks, interest from foreign bank accounts, or rent from foreign properties. As an Indian resident, it's essential to report all your income, including foreign income, in your income tax return. Now, let's dive into the main content. Understanding foreign income. To declare foreign income, you need to understand what constitutes foreign income. This includes income from foreign employment, foreign investments, and foreign business activities. It's essential to keep accurate records of all your foreign income, including receipts, invoices, and bank statements. Step-by-step declaration process. Now that you understand what foreign income is, let's move on to the step-by-step declaration process. First, you need to gather all the necessary documents, including your foreign income statements, bank statements, and tax receipts. Next, you need to fill out the relevant sections of your income tax return, including the foreign income schedule. You'll need to report your foreign income in the correct currency and convert it to Indian rupees using the average annual exchange rate. Common mistakes to avoid. When declaring foreign income, there are some common mistakes to avoid. One of the most common mistakes is not reporting all foreign income, which can lead to penalties and fines. Another mistake is not converting foreign income to Indian rupees correctly, which can result in incorrect tax calculations. It's also essential to keep accurate records of all your foreign income and expenses, as this will help you claim deductions and exemptions. Tax implications. Now, let's talk about the tax implications of foreign income. As an Indian resident, you're taxed on your worldwide income, including foreign income. However, you may be eligible for tax credits or exemptions on your foreign income, depending on the country of origin and the type of income. It's essential to consult a tax professional to ensure you're taking advantage of all the available tax credits and exemptions. Important tips. Finally, here are some important tips to keep in mind when declaring foreign income. Make sure you keep accurate records of all your foreign income and expenses, as this will help you claim deductions and exemptions. Also, be aware of the tax implications of foreign income and consult a tax professional if you're unsure about anything. Important disclaimer: this video is strictly for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video is financial advice, investment advice, or a recommendation to buy or sell any security. We are not registered with SEBI as investment advisors. All investments carry risk. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Please consult a qualified SEBI registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Mutual